Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the language switcher icon from your taskbar in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and loaded. Wait until everything is ready before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is ready, navigate to the Windows Start menu located on your taskbar. Click on it to open the Start menu. In the search bar that appears, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Settings window where you can configure various aspects of your system. When the Settings window opens, look for the Time and Language option among the available categories. Click on it to access the Time and Language settings. This section controls all your language preferences, keyboard layouts, and regional formats on your device. You'll now be directed to the Time and Language settings window. From here, click on the Language option located in the left-hand menu. This is where all your installed languages and keyboard layouts are managed. Now here's the key thing to understand. The reason you're seeing the language switcher icon on your taskbar is that you currently have multiple languages set up on your device. If you only have one language listed, that language switcher icon will automatically disappear from your taskbar. Windows only displays the language switcher when there are multiple language options to choose from. To remove the extra languages, simply click on any language you want to remove from the list. The language option will expand to show you more details about that particular language pack. From here, you'll see a Remove button appear. Click on this button to uninstall that language from your system. Once you've removed all the additional languages and only have one language remaining, the language switcher icon will automatically be removed from your taskbar. The change should take effect immediately, so you won't need to restart your computer or sign out of your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed the language switcher icon from your Windows 11 taskbar by managing your language settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.